Hello students, welcome in today's class. We have done the factorization method to solve the quadratic equations. Now we will do the next method, that is quadratic formula. Students, in your book NCERT book, the one more method is given, that is method of completing the square method. We will do it later because CBSE has removed this method from your books. So we are doing first quadratic formula, and this formula is mostly used to find the roots of quadratic equation. So what is the formula? Listen carefully. First we will be given an equation, a quadratic equation in this form: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In exercise 4.2 we had done the factorization method to find the roots of this equation. Now we will use another formula to find the roots of the equation. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula is called quadratic formula. You have to learn this formula to find the roots of the equation. What is the formula? First we have to identify, first the equation should be in this form. That means RHS should be 0. So coefficient of x square will be a, coefficient of x will be b, and the constant will be c. After finding the values of a, b and c, you will apply this formula. What is formula? Minus b plus minus. There are two signs, plus and minus. Square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But there is a condition, student. In this case, the value of b square minus 4ac should be greater than equal to 0. First, the value of, that means first we will calculate the value of b square minus 4ac. If greater than means it should be positive or equal to 0. It can be positive or equal to 0. It cannot be negative. Keep in mind, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means we can say the value of b square minus 4ac is negative, then no real roots will exist. So if value of b square minus 4ac is negative, then we cannot apply this formula, because there cannot be negative sign inside the square root. Clear? So first we will check the value of b square minus 4ac. If the value of b square minus 4ac is positive or 0, then we can apply this formula. If the value of b square minus 4ac is negative, so we cannot apply the formula. We will write no real roots will exist. Is it clear? This is the quadratic formula. Now we are starting our next exercise, that is exercise 4.3. Again, in question number first, we will be given some equations and we have to find the solutions, or we can say the roots of the equation by applying quadratic formula. So we are taking two questions of question number first. The third part of question number first, which is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. First, this equation is already in standard form. So we will identify the values of a, b and c. The coefficient of x square will be a. So a is equal to 4. The coefficient of x, it is b. So value of b is 4 root 3, and last one is c, that is 3. Student, first we will identify the value of b square minus 4ac. Clear? So b square minus 4ac, b square, that means square of b, 4 root 3 square minus 4a and c. Square of 4 is 16 and square of root 3 is 3. Minus 4 4s are 16 into 3. So it is 48 minus 48 equal to 0. So we can say, so real roots of the given equation exist, because if the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than or 0, greater than equal to 0, so it is 0. So we will apply the quadratic formula. And what is the quadratic formula? Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Now we can put the values. Minus b, value of b is 4 root 3, so minus 4 root 3 plus minus under root b square, or we can put the value of b square minus 4ac directly. We have the value of b square minus 4ac, which is 0. So square root of 0 upon twice of a. A is what? 4. So 2 into 4. Clear? So square root of 0 will be 0. So minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0 upon 4 2s are 8. We will take positive and negative both. First we are taking the positive values, positive sign. Then we will take the negative. Student, it will be x is equal to 4 root 3 plus 0 upon 8. That means it is 4 root 3 upon 8. So value of x will be 4 ones are and 4 twos are. It will be root 3 upon 2. Clear? Similarly, now we are taking negative. So x is equal to, sorry, it was minus 4 root 3. So we can write minus here. Minus root 3. So minus 4 root 3 minus 0 upon 8. Minus 0 is not necessary. So it is minus 4 root 3 upon 8. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. So the value of x will be minus root 3 upon 2. So this is the process of applying the quadratic formula. Now the fourth part, that is equation is 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. So value of a is 2, value of b is, coefficient of x is 1 and value of c is 4. We will find the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square, that means 1 square minus 4a and c. So 1 square is 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. It is negative 31. Negative 31, that means less than 0. And if the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so we will say, so equation does not have real roots. If it does not have the real roots, so how can we find it? So the question will be terminated here. So the next question, second part of question number 3. Equation is given 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Again we have to find the roots of this equation. So first we will convert this equation in the quadratic form. So we have to solve this one. We can take the LCM of x plus 4 and x minus 7. It will be x plus 4 and x minus 7. So x plus 4 will be cancelled, so it will be x minus 7 minus, here x minus 7 will be cancelled, so it will be x plus 4 is equal to 11 upon 30. Clear? So we can remove the bracket, so x minus 7 minus will be changed upon x plus 4 x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30. Negative x, positive x will be cancelled. So minus 7 and minus 4, it is minus 11 upon x plus 4 x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. Students, we can cancel this 11 because both are in multiplication. After shifting, one will be in division, then they will be cancelled. We are cancelling them. So it will be minus 1 upon x plus 4 and x minus 7. It is 1 by 30. Do cross multiplication. So 30 into minus 1, it is minus 30, and x plus 4 into x minus 7 will be multiplied by 1. Clear? So solve this one. It is minus 30. X multiply x, it is x square. X multiply minus 7 plus x multiply 4, and 4 into minus 7, that is minus 28. This minus 30 will be shifted, then this side will be 0. So x square minus 7 and plus 4, it will be minus 3x. Minus 28 is already there. This 30 will be positive, equal to 0. So it is x square minus 3x, 30 minus 28 is 2. So we can see the value of A, it is 1, value of B, which is minus 3, and value of C is 2. Clear? Now we are applying the quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice of a. Now we can put the values of a, b and c. Minus b, it is already minus, so minus of minus 3 plus minus under root b square minus 3 square minus 4 into a into c upon twice of a, yani 2 into 1. Clear? So negative negative positive, it is 3 plus minus. Minus 3 square is 9, 4 2s are 8 upon 2 into 1. So 3 plus minus 9 minus 8 is 1, and square root of 1 is 1 upon 2. Once we will take positive sign, and then we will take negative sign because the plus minus is here. So first positive, so it will be 3 plus 1 upon 2. So 3 plus 1 is what? 4 upon 2, it is 2. So one root is 2. Now we are taking the negative, 3 minus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2, which is 1. So there are two roots, 2 and 1. Is it clear?